And for what? To become unstoppable? To rule the world?
Merc is what you need to worry about. A chief protects his own.
I'm not the chief that you wanted me to be. And I'm not the peacekeeper I thought I was. Dragons, they are kind, amazing creatures that can bring people together.
Tear them apart.
He thinks he has to lead alone. Because his father had to. He doesn't realize the strength you have together.
Toothless, come on.
You are nothing without your dragon.
Do you still believe in him?
Of course. I wish he did.
Toothless! Toothless, no!